Toyota Fortuner GRS car details. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Toyota Fortuner GRS, the most advanced and sportiest version of the Fortuner yet. This isn't just a regular SUV, it's Toyota's performance-inspired take on the legendary Fortuner. The GRS stands for Gazoo Racing Sport, Toyota's performance division, and that means this car comes packed with rugged power, bold design, and premium features. Let's dive straight into what makes this GRS variant stand out. Exterior part. Starting with the exterior, the Fortuner GRS looks aggressive and athletic. The front grille is a blacked-out mesh design with a bold Toyota emblem and GRS badging. It features sleek LED headlamps with daytime running lights that add to its premium appeal. The bumper is redesigned with sportier cuts and body-colored highlights. Moving to the side, you get blacked-out ORVMs, roof rails, and distinct GRS 18-inch alloy wheels that give it a dominating road presence. At the rear, the smoked LED tail lamps, GRS badge, and sporty bumper finish off the performance look. The stance is muscular and intimidating, and it feels like a proper off-road beast with an urban twist. Interior part. Step inside, and you immediately feel the GR branding all over. The cabin is draped in black leather with red stitching, giving it a sporty and premium vibe. The seats come with GRS logos and have excellent bolstering for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard is neat and comes with soft touch materials, piano black inserts, and silver accents. You get an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a fully digital mid, dual-zone climate control, ventilated front seats, and even a wireless charging pad. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with GR branding and paddle shifters for added control. Toyota also gives you a premium 11-speaker JBL sound system that takes the in-cabin experience up a notch. Overall, it's a performance luxury cabin that doesn't compromise on comfort. Comfort level. In terms of comfort, the Fortuner GRS is surprisingly refined. The driver's seat is power adjustable with lumbar support, and rear passengers get ample legroom and headroom. The suspension is tuned slightly stiffer than the standard Fortuner to enhance handling, but it still manages to glide over rough roads with ease. Toyota has done a great job balancing sportiness and ride comfort. The cabin insulation is solid, reducing outside noise, and the AC is powerful enough to cool all 3 rows quickly. You also get rear AC vents and multiple charging ports. The boot space is decent, and with foldable third-row seats, you get extra room for long trips. Whether you're off-roading or cruising on the highway, this SUV is designed to keep everyone comfortable. Performance. Under the hood, the Fortuner GRS gets the powerful 2.8-liter diesel engine that produces 204 PS of power and 500 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic gearbox with paddle shifters for added control. You also get 4WD with electronic drive control, which means it can take on any terrain, be it sand, snow, rocks, or tarmac. The throttle response is sharp, gear shifts are smooth, and overtaking on highways feels effortless. The GRS also has upgraded suspension for improved handling and stability. The braking is solid with ventilated discs on all 4 wheels, and safety is top-notch with 7 airbags, vehicle stability control, hill assist, traction control, and more. The Fortuner GRS isn't just about power, it's about controlled power, and it gives you confidence behind the wheel. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Toyota Fortuner GRS is the ultimate Fortuner variant you can buy today. It looks aggressive, feels premium inside, rides comfortably, and performs like a true SUV should. Whether you're a city driver who loves a bold presence or an adventure lover looking to conquer tough roads, this SUV delivers on all fronts. It's not just an upgrade in features, it's a statement of performance, luxury, and reliability. If you're considering a powerful full-size SUV that offers both style and substance, the Fortuner GRS should be on the top of your list. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content.